The library has thousands of ebooks that you can access from anywhere for free, including some textbooks. To search for ebooks in the library, from the library homepage, you can scroll down to Articles and Databases, which takes you to all of our online collections. From there, you can go to E for eBooks, or under Database Types, select eBooks. We're going to look at our ebook collection, which has more than 150,000 ebooks. And from there, you can put in some keywords. I'm going to put in South Africa and see what comes up. We get about 250,000 results. So I can add some additional terms like history, and maybe even go further, get more specific and add apartheid. And now we have about 300 books. We can also narrow by year. I'm going to look for books published in the last 10 years. And now we have about 164 books. You can also look for a specific title, like Born a Crime. And once you find a book you're interested in, you'll want to click on the title to get basic information about the book. Over here on the left, there'll be a link to the full text, either an EPUB or a PDF. And from there, you can go into the book and start reading. You can narrow down into or drop into specific sections of the book, specific chapters. And up here on the toolbar, you can get the citation for your book. For many books, you can also email or print pages. This one has limited permissions. It doesn't allow you to email or print. But if we look in another book, this one, Diary of a Reluctant Dreamer by Alberto Ledesma, you can see you can email or print up to 100 pages. So if I go into chapter 1, I can email myself this chapter or specific pages. I'll also want to get the citation I need, and then I can go ahead and enter my email. If you have any questions, contact us at Ask a Librarian.